Hello friends, in Canada there is always a big demand for HVAC technician. If you are an international trained HVAC technician and wanted to come and work in Canada, all you need is vocational certificate in HVAC, diploma in HVAC or a mechanical engineer. With this above qualification and at least 3 to 5 years of hands-on experience in HVAC, heat pump, heater unit and other HVAC related equipment is good to start your career in Canada. To know more about the Canadian job opportunities and career opportunities, please follow us on Facebook, Insta and YouTube channel. And thanks for watching this video.